Derivatives, Part 4. Rank 1 International, it does not matter. Subscribe, it's not about us. This lecture is about you to pass CFA. This is a very important lecture. You need to stick to the end. Price of the car S is 20,000. Exercise price X is 22,000. In the European option pricing, a call is calculated by S minus X. And the put is calculated by a put option X minus S. S is always the spot price of the underlying, and X is the exercise price at which we can buy or sell. You can buy the car at 22,000, but it's worth 20,000. S minus X is negative. The call option value is negative, but since you will not buy at exercise price, you will not buy it for 22,000 while it's only worth 20,000. We consider the value as zero. We say it is out of the money. Now you can sell the car for 22,000 and it is worth 20,000. The equation here is X minus S equals 2,000. The put option value is positive. The put option is in the money. Effect of the value of the car S, the underlying. Higher value of the underlying, better for the call and worse for the put. The price of the car moved to 25,000. Higher the value of the underlying S of the car, it's better for the call. You can buy the car at 22,000 and now it's worth 25,000. So S minus X is $3,000 as gain. The call option is in the money. Now you can sell the car for 22,000 regarding the put option and it's worth 25,000. Put option equation is X minus S, which is negative 3,000. The put option value is negative, so we say it is out of the money. Now, effect of the exercise price X. If the exercise price X moved to 33, higher value of X is worth for the call and better for the put. Practice problems or examples. Call value is S minus X. Since X is now higher, S minus X is smaller. As X increases, the call value decreases. Since put value is X minus S, as X increases, the put value also increases. Let's study now effect of time to expiration. The higher the time to expiration, better for the call and can vary for the put. Why is it better for the call? You can buy the car for 22,000 in 3 months. In the meantime, you can invest the 22,000 and earn interest. Regarding the effect of the risk-free rate of interest, the higher the interest rate, the better for the call and worse for the put. Interest rate increased to 7%. You did not exercise the call option yet, so you can invest the 22,000 and earn more interests. Now, the higher the interest rate, the more opportunity cost you are losing for not selling the underlying and investing the 22,000. So it's worse for the put. The effect of volatility. Volatility means a lot of movement between 22,000 and 30,000 regarding the spot price. The higher the volatility, the better for the call and the put. Volatility is the change in the car's price. If the car value increases suddenly to 30,000, you exercise the buy and win. If it decreases, you can buy another car and lose nothing. Now, regarding the put option, you can sell at 22,000. Once the value increases to 30,000, you can avoid selling. But, however, if the value decreases to 20,000, you can still sell it at $22,000 and your profit increases. European option pricing. Dividends and carrying costs. Effect of dividends and carrying costs. The higher the dividends and benefits, the worse for the call and better for the put. The higher the cost of carry, the better for buy and worse for sell. Worse, dividends. Call. The owner of the car is renting it and you are losing opportunity cost. You are not renting it, which is worse for you. Now, better, carrying costs. The owner of the car is repairing it and you are not paying for it. This is very good for you. He is changing the car's tires. Now, better, dividends. You are renting the car and still can sell it whenever you want to. So now you are earning double benefits. Worse, carrying costs. You need to repair the car and get new tires, and it's an additional cost you are paying. Fiduciary call. Fiduciary call is a long bond, buying a risk-free bond providing interest, plus long call, which is buying a call option on an asset. I would just want you to memorize long bond plus long call, and we will have an example now. Protective put. Long put, buying a put option on an asset or the ability to sell at a fixed price, plus long asset, buying and owning the asset. So protective put is long put plus long asset. Back to the fiduciary call. You invest $100 on a 2% bond providing $2, as it is 2%, as risk-free interest. You purchase a buy option, the choice to buy, on a share of Mercedes, currently worth $100, for $102. How much did you win on the long bond? Here, we won $2. How much did you lose on the long call? Here, you purchase it for $102. It's worth $100. You lost $2. Now, if the shares of Mercedes drops beyond $100, you do not exercise the call option, and you have lost $2 that is earned from the long bond, so maximum loss is 0. What happens if the share of Mercedes increases to $110, and you can still buy it at $102? You win $8, which is the difference from between 110 and 102, plus you win $2 from the long call. So you have limited downside potential, almost 0, and unlimited upside potential. This is called a fiduciary call. Protective put. You invest $700 to purchase an asset. It's a long asset. And you invest $750 to buy a sell option or a put option on this asset anytime for $700. This is called a long put. If the asset price decreases below $700, you can still sell it at $700 anytime, limiting your maximum losses to $750 minus $700 to $50. Now we have unlimited upside potential. If the asset price increases, there is no limit for your gains. Any increase minus $50 is your gain. The put call parity. Here keep in mind, plus is long and minus is short. According to the put call parity, fiduciary call is equal to protective put. We said that fiduciary call is long bond plus long call. B plus C equals long put plus long asset, which is the protective put. This equation helps you solve at least 8 equations easily. To memorize it, simply notice that you just need to put the letters in alphabetical order to get this equation. It's B plus C equals P plus S. B is calculated by X divided by 1 plus rate to the power T. This is the equation we have memorized. Long bond plus long call equals long put plus long assets. Now you are all good students and smart students. Let's calculate long bond. This is an exam type question. To calculate long bond, you simply move long call from here to here. If you are moving plus 7 from here to here, what does it become? It becomes minus 7. What did we say about minus? I'm sorry, my voice is going. Minus is short. So long bond is long put plus long asset minus short call. Did you see? From memorizing this, now you can do this equation and 7 others. Let's calculate long call together. We want to move long bond from here to here. Plus becomes minus. So long call is long put plus long asset minus short bond. Why did we say short? Because minus is short. God bless you in your CFA exam, and you deserve the best.